What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Labor Day is right around the corner and that's always a fantastic time to find some savings, right? There's always special deals going on around Labor Day, and today I want to talk to you about one from Maxshine. Maxshine just released a bunch of new products and they put together this little interior cleaning kit, which is fantastic. It's normally about 50 bucks for this kit. They already have it discounted down to about 40 bucks for Labor Day. If you use my code IMJOSHV15, it brings you down to 33 bucks or something like that. Phenomenal value for these products, so let's go ahead and jump into it. I want to show you guys the products that it comes with, talk about some of the new ones that they have here. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So again guys, this is their new lineup here. The first thing in the kit is the new Ergonomic interior detailing brush. This thing is super nice. Actually, it's nice wood handle, right? The brushes, I don't know, it doesn't say specifically on here, or at least I didn't see it, but it appears to be a nice boar hairs brush. Really, really nice, really soft. So you can use this on leather, you can use it on your door panels, all that kind of good stuff that you can just load it up with your chemical, start rubbing it in. It creates a nice foaming action, does a fantastic job. It is ergonomic, guys. It fits very, very, very well in the hand. Very, very comfortable. Actually, for me, almost more comfortable. Like the way it fits into my thumb is even better in my left hand, but it's super comfortable in my right as well. It kind of holds into my palm really well. So fantastic little tool. I really appreciate the way Maxshine kind of redesigned some stuff. Again, you know, it was one of those things like the other brushes, they work, they're fine. But this is actually more enjoyable to work with. It fits your hand and does a great job. Next up guys, we have Maxshine's all-in-one cleaner. Just a basic all-in-one cleaner. It works amazing on pretty much every interior surface of your car. So I really like this stuff. I will show you guys once we get a little bit down the road to one of the other new items that they have. I used this along with that new item in my car on the leather seats. Works amazing. I also use it to just kind of saturate carpets, and then I can stripe the carpets and make everything look really clean. Just a little bit of this stuff goes a long way, and I like this product a lot. Now up next guys, we have another ergonomic brush. Same kind of outline as the other one. Again, on nice wood backing, but this one's black. And this one is, they call it their tire brush. And the reason for that is stiff bristles, right? So this would work really, really well to agitate your tires, get all the dirt and everything out of the rubber so that you can redress them and make them look perfect. However, they're including this on the interior kit because this also works phenomenally well for all your interior components for the carpets, and then also upholstery if you have, you know, as long as it's not a super delicate surface. The stiffer bristles are gonna work great. Now I use this on carpets all the time. I like it because it's just easy. You can really be precise, especially when you're laying in stripes on the carpets of the car. You can be really precise because it's right in your hand, right? You're not holding out a handle. I mean, again, not a huge deal with the handle, but this is very, very comfortable and really nice to work with. All right, now next up guys is this new piece here. This is their interior scrubbing sponge, and this is an amazing little product. I really like it. I've never used anything like this before. I think I've seen some stuff kind of just one-sided, but this is a dual-sided sponge. And on the one side, you have these bristles, the little fingers that are stiff but gentle as well. On the other side is a microfiber pad. So I guess you could potentially use it as this side for your scrubbing to agitate and lift up the dirt on your seats or leather. And this side then you could apply your leather conditioner or whatever else. I don't use it that way. I don't want to saturate the pad too much. So what I like to do is I spray my chemical, the all-in-one cleaner, right into the pad, and then I go ahead and agitate. Again, for leather seats, this thing is great. It really, really works super well. Again, with these little fingers, I don't know, let me try and focus this in for you guys here. But with these little fingers, it just does such a good job of getting into every little nook and cranny. So it's hard for me to kind of explain to you exactly what this is without seeing it in person, but you get the kit, you're gonna feel this thing and you're like, man, this thing's unreal for getting the interiors done. You can also absolutely use this on all your door panels, seats, dashboards, anything where you don't have to be too precise, like obviously, you know, vents and things like that. This is gonna be hard to get in there. I'm really glad that they came out with this. Again, I haven't used anything like this in the past, really. I know what I can kind of relate this to. If you've ever been at like Home Depot, you're gonna paint your house, they have those little hardback brushes with just a little bit of a fuzz to them like this, a little short hairs, and you can use them for corners and things like that. that. That's what this reminds me of. But it's soft, it's not gonna hurt anything, but it's gonna do a great job to agitate and get all the dirt out. Now next up is a new silicone interior detailing brush. Obviously this is going to be guided at your pet hair removal. And I shouldn't just say pet hair because I've been in tons of cars where it's just a woman's car and she has longer hair and it, you know, drive with the window down and it kind of blows everywhere. And I've had a lot of hair in the back seats or in the carpets. And this is a fantastic tool. Now, if you look closely here, guys, it has all these little fingers as well. They're nice and soft to the point where they're sticky. Not sticky to your hand, not to the touch at all, but it grabs a lot as you come across. And that's what you want when you're trying to remove hair, dog hair, human hair, whatever it is. You just work it across the panel and it'll bunch everything up together and then you can vacuum it up easily. Now this thing is very nice. I really love the small little ones. They have a triangular one from Maxshine. It's just a little red disc and then has like a silicone kind of blades off the sides. I really like those, but having multiple options is always the best choice, especially for the professional, because sometimes, you know, depending on the material on the inside of the car, certain brushes work better than others. So this is a really great little tool for that. I have used ones somewhat similar to this in the past. They're just black, but the bristles, these little fingers, were a little bit longer on that. And I like the fact that these ones are a little bit shorter than that one, just because this is a little bit more stout and gives me a little bit more ability to kind of agitate harder as I'm working through and removing the hair. Now finally, for the last item in the kit, it's just a microfiber towel. It's a 16 by 16 microfiber towel. I think it's 380 GSM. Yep, 380 GSM. Now this one here, you guys, does have a little bit of a tag, but it's just stuck on and it comes right off. So very easy. It's not even sewn in at all. Comes off nicely. You want to make sure that any residue's gone. I don't have any on here at all. Mine came right off, but just in case, just be mindful of that and just kind of pinch and roll and it'll get the residue off. So really nice little feature here. Just while you're cleaning your interior, obviously you need to mop up all the dirt and everything that you're removing when you're agitating with the all-in-one cleaner, the new ergonomic brush, and the new interior scrubbing sponge. All right, so that's the kit. Again, normally 50 bucks, discounted down currently to about 40 bucks. Use my code IMJOSHV15, brings it down to about 33 bucks. Now, Maxshine does have free shipping over $75, so I'm gonna include a few links down in the description for you guys of other things that I really like from Maxshine. Obviously, I love their polishers. It's just, you know, I absolutely love their polishers. But if you're just trying to get to that $75 mark, I'll add some items in there to show you guys so you can look into that. One of the items for sure though would be the interior detailing sponge. I would order a couple of these just in case they get saturated over time. This thing, this is gonna be a staple in my detailing arsenal now. So I would order a couple of those just to get the cost up to the $75 so that you can get free shipping. And as always, if you do want to order a polisher or whatever else on Maxshine site, my discount code IMJOSHV15 should work across the whole site. So if you're looking to get something, make sure to use that code and save yourself 15%. I hope that video helps you. I will have another Labor Day special video coming up on Thursday, so make sure to check that out. But that's it for today's video. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.